Okay, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the online opening for the Codex Community Hackathon Kuala Lumpur 2026. My name is Xiao Yan Chong, Codex Ambassador of Malaysia and organizer with Codex Community Malaysia. And tonight's session, we're going to run it from 8 to 9 p.m. Malaysia time. And the stream has just opened right now. So tonight is primarily for onboarding, team confirmation, and the project scoping. So the active build and consultation period will begin 12 July onwards. So between these 2 days for the opening, we hope that you already have a clear direction on your project. You already have your problem statement so that you can discuss further for 12 to 17 July. So Malaysia actually does not need any more AI ideas, and we need more working AI products. Therefore, this is how you all come into this situation. So we have selected the top cohort of 500 builders all around Malaysia. So let's put in under your chat to recommend to introduce about yourself and also your city so that we can engage much more with our organizers. So feel free to share around which state you're from. I heard there are participants joining from Singapore. So feel free to say hi to them, drop a hi. And if you have like meetup or even an exchange of ideas, feel free to do so. So tonight, minute by minute, this is the program from 7:50 up to 9 o'clock. It might be end earlier. So I have already shared the schedule for all of you. So about Codex Community Meetup Kuala Lumpur. So we are a community-led platform for the Malaysian builders shipping practical AI using Codex. So Codex is an open AI, latest agent. So this movement have started since March. So we do have social links all around social media. We have a dedicated LinkedIn page, a Luma page, and upcoming we have more meetups. So these are the top 150 builders or teams that's being selected. So congratulations to all these people. Team Anas, Dexco, 25 hours. If you're in the chat, feel free to put +1 to indicate your presence. Chai Fan, Lab, Boomers, Terry, Mayahi Mayahu, Ear, Brian from Sabah, Sep Liu, Chi Yi-en, Chen Yi-en, Token Kakis, Duo Code, Rumaku, Lemao Tech, Waris Tech, Cedric Chong Teng Fong, Tan Guan Yu, Dang Wangi, Cognitive Mice, Bong Zishan, Hackerman, Metaspeak AI, LLM Prompter, Jalan Jalan, Mozart AI, R2D2, FAAH, Control ALT The Light, Fovia, Liu Chunfeng, Road to 15K, O Kwan Chi, Sai Arovin Raja, Lam, Jonathan Ho, Testing in Production, Home Heaven RX, Offers Detail in Your Area, My Code, Mysterious, Garm Out, Rawat Lawat, No Name, Charging Geek, AI Worker X for the wipes, testing in production again. Yeah. All right. So there's a duplication for this, but let's ignore it for now. So what's the reason of us having an online build week for all of you? It's basically for you all to prepare for yourselves for the demo day, because we received feedback from participants from hackathon that complaining there's not enough time for you to do the hackathon format within 2 days to build a product. So therefore, we have this opening day to actually clarify you what is the onboarding steps, the team confirmation and project scoping. So and also the online build week where you can have mentors, office hours, technical support, and partner sessions. And for the Databricks workshop, so we our main sponsor, gold sponsor is Databricks. So they are going to have a workshop this coming 13 July between 7 to 10 p.m. And last but not least, we will have the physical hackathon at Sunway University on 18 July. So in conjunction with our Codex Community Hackathon at Kuala Lumpur, we are also having a global hackathon within this 1 week. So you may actually check this out by typing global OpenAI Global Hackathon via your web engines. And you are able to find between 12 to 17 July, we also having this online build week. And the submission is on 21 July. So after this hackathon, need not worry. If you are not being the top 10, you may actually submit your project into the global hackathon. where you have chances to win for our OpenAI Dev Day passes, as well as fantastic prizes and cash prizes as well. So the theme of our hackathon, overall hackathon, is to raise the floor, AI for Malaysia boleh. We are bringing together selected builders to create practical AI-enabled products for the Malaysian users, communities, organizations, and the workflows. So your goal is not to present an idea. You should be building a working and demonstrable product, because we will be having a collaboration with Cradle and also Zemif, which is our platinum sponsor. So from there, they will be guiding you post-hackathon to actually launch it into an actual startup. So this is the problem guidelines that you all can provide. So in order to become a working demo, so we have the SME productivity, which a lot of our teams here, shortlisted team choose for this team. We have education and upskilling, public service and civic workflows, healthcare, creator and media tools, local language, data products, and also developer tools. So a working demo beats a perfect concept at the end of the day. So you may create a very beautiful slides or you have a very good idea, but at the end of the day, what's the main objective of Codex is to actually ship the product or ship the app so that it's visible to the public. So you are required to have an MVP demo, a working flow, clear input and output, a realistic user journey, where you can actually have testimonials with real life users, and a clickable URL to local run. And you must have a technical proof. So we are expecting to see a repository being prepared. The architecture is being explained. What is your data and safety choices, where Databricks can actually come in and share you about more. And the known limits are documented. As for your pitch, you need to indicate who is your user and what is the pain point that's being solved and why is it needed. And of course, what happens next. So this is about Codex. So you can see further how's the development workflow for the Codex. So we have plan, implement, inspect, test, and review. So all of these, we do not give up on human judgment. So you can define the scope. So my Codex workflow is basically you need to define the user and outcome scope through /goal. Then after that, using /plan, you can break the task down. And /mention is for building, where you can create the focus changes. And /permissions is where you give the permission for tools and commands. For /review, we'll be inspecting the differences and the risks. And also for /status, which is to validate the demo. So this is our latest GPT 5.6. So we have 3 models. So the Soul model is, of course, the most best model as of now. So it covers all the complex coding, computer use, research, and security work. For Terra, it's more on the balance side. So it has a strong capability with a better cost profile for the everyday work. So for example, if we are a seasoned developer, I would think that Terra would be a better model for you to execute your daily work. And for Luna, it's a very fast execution. So it also provides a lowest cost option. So what changed for this week on behalf of Codex is for the Mac OS and Windows, we have the edit, markdown, and code directly in the inline annotations. We also can review GitHub pull requests in the sidebar. And we have the work across repositories. And we have a faster computer news. So you have a full control of your computer that's powered by GPT 5.6. And as for Codex CLI, so this is the latest version, is 0.144.1. So this is the installer and the code mode reliability. And for Codex CLI, the another version, which is the lower one, it has a usage reset credits. It writes the approval mode. So interactive MCP authentication and also ultra concurrency warning. So 12 commands that I would actually recommend to all of you is using this. So /goal, of course, /plan/mention/review. And this list I can actually share to you all to your Discord channel later on. So this is the further Codex CLI/commands for control and models, context extension, task session, and terminal UI and Windows. So you all can take a moment. So feel free to share to the chat or at Discord or at the Twitch. So what is the Codex CLI commands that you use? So this text remembers, but the voice resolve. So each team category should contain one text channel and one voice calling room. So basically, this is our Discord structure. So the text channel is where you will leave a permanent record. So you may see actually in our Discord, we have the announcements, role distribution, and consultation hours. So that's where the mentor will actually indicate their consultation hours, and they will mention about their role, and they will give you a cal.com calendar link so that you can do the booking for your consultation hours. And on top of that, you will be actually entered into a team channel where there's also a text channel and a voice channel dedicated for your team, so that none of your information is being leaked out to other teams or to the public. So for any kind of consultation, we would suggest you to conduct it within this text channel for your dedicated team. So after this is the workflow for this online build week. So for the team text, for our system of record, so do mention about your problem statement, your target user, repository, what's your milestone, what's your blocker, decisions, and the demo link. And for the team call, you may do things like pair programming, screen sharing, mentor consultation, architecture review, and demo rehearsal. And after every call, I would suggest that all of you can write the decision, the owner, and the deadline. So back in this team channel, and do not leave any answers inside the voice chat. So check your role before your slot. So this is the role distribution where we ask you to mention which roles you belong to, whether you are the sponsor, the mentor, judge, or you are the participant. So your consultation flow is find your slot using consultation hours, prepare the question, join 5 minutes early if possible, and record the outcome. So do not try to rely too much on DMs. And we are very excited to collab with Zamif and Databricks. So Zamif is the platinum sponsor. A little background about them is they are venture capital. So they basically invest on your ideas. In case they found your ideas is fascinating, they are also the judge for that day. So they will further ask you to join their program that leads to funding. And as for Databricks, is on the is a data tool for you to carry out SQL queries and all the data scripts related workflow. So for co-ops will be me, Xiao Yan. And also would like to share this moment with Jack, who is also in the call. So feel free to open your cam and give a little bit of introduction to our participants.
Yeah, hey everyone. I hope you can hear me. I know there were some problems with the stream, but my name's Jack. I'm the co-founder over at Shields AI. We do AI research and development with our partners in the UK and the EU. And we're based here in Malaysia, doing work with local universities and also exploring different concepts in generative AI, such as reinforcement learning, as well as working with ontologies and data systems for enterprise. So we're really proud to be co-organizing this event, and I look forward to meeting all of you next week in person. Happy hacking.
Yeah, all right. Thank you, Bert, from our co-organizer, Jack. And also, on top of that, we do have Brandon, who is from AI.C, and he's also one of the Codex ambassadors. So feel free to drop a hi to him and learn more about Codex from our partners. Yeah, so back to our slide. Okay. All right. Okay, let me go back to there. So this, sorry about that. Okay. So for our sponsor representatives, we do have Databricks and Zamif representative. So for Zamif, it's going to be our platinum sponsor, and one of our representatives are here joining us in the call. So let me introduce to our representative over here. So you may.
Hey everyone. Oh,
yeah.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, is the background inverted or is it looking right?
Yes, it's looking right.
Okay. Hi everyone. Yeah, Linus here from Zamif. I'm representing Rain actually, so Rain can't really make it for the next few days, so I'll be the mentor for it. I'm in the growth team actually, so what I basically do is just business development and partnership for the fund itself. One thing for sure, Zamif is actually chartered as like an accelerator for early stage founder, and when we say early stage, we mean from angel to pre-seed. So yeah, our next iteration of, our next acceptance cohort is actually on the August 21 to 24th. So feel free to check us out. Other than that, we posted our contents and everything on Instagram and everything. Do check out our website also for anything you want to talk to us about. Yeah, that's mainly what we do and all that. Hopefully that everyone has a fun night and fun day, obviously, going through this itself. If you guys need anything else from VC's perspective and also idea validation, feel free to reach out to me.
Yeah, sure. Interesting. Definitely we'll check out your 21st to 24th August, the Hacker House program by Zamif. Yeah, I'm definitely most of the participants here. Some of them are aspiring to become a startup founder. You may check further, and he will be available in our channel during the consultation hours. So in case you want to ask about idea execution and also pitching, you may book a slot with him.
Yep.
Yeah, right. Okay, and next up, we also have another sponsor, so which is Databricks. So Databricks wise, we have these three representatives who's from based in Singapore, which is Som Park, Som Wu, who is the program lead, Marcus Tay, who is the senior solutions engineer for Databricks, and Yi Fan for Databricks on data and AI workflow. So feel free to consult them. They will be having their series of mentor consultation. On top of that, they will be having a private workshop for Databricks, where they will cover all the their latest agents that can combine well with the Codex. So this is also part of the curation for you to earn extra bonus points for the Databricks track. As for mentors, joining us also, we do have a few mentors. Feel free to actually share your camp. And for now, we feature these 4 mentors. We have more mentors coming in to join us. There are around 10 of them. So one of them is Ian Foon, who is specialized in payments, digital wallets, banking. Eason Chai from ELVTD, who is good at rapid prototyping. And for TS Chow Yao Feng, who is good at rapid MVP, full stack engineering, automation, and applied AI, and Kenny Wong, who is good at AI literacy, facilitation, design. So if any of the mentors are joining me right now, so feel free to take turns and introduce about yourself. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kenny. So yes, as the introduction, thank you, Sal. So I'm excited with this hackathon. I have been doing training and facilitation for the past 14 to 15 years. In the past 3 years, ever since ChatGPT launch, I'm with them all the while until today with Codex as well. So I've been doing a lot of trainings for corporate client like Koei, Touch and Go, and a little bit more here and there. So on how to use AI effectively and efficiently in their workplace, most on prompt engineering and design. So in this hackathon, I hope to contribute to our builders here on how I can also provide you values in terms of how we can make the ideas more impactful, and also the ideas is feasible to be used for the judgings. So that's me, Kenny. Looking forward to work with all of you.
Yeah, that's a very great intro. So Kenny Wong here, he has a very long-term experience being a trainer, especially in the edtech industry on educating the trainer staffs all over Malaysia on how to use AI to improve their teaching workflow. So in case you are tackling on this track, so definitely do consult him. And next up, we do have another mentor who's joining us. So feel free to give an intro about yourself, Mr. Raghu. So is Mr. Raghu online? Okay, so I would assume maybe currently you are not free at the moment. And next we have Hong Bing, I guess, as one of our mentor. If you are available, let's hear from you on your expectations for this online build week. Yeah. Okay. All right, and one more. So I believe you are also not available. So next we have TS Heidi bin Lamapa. If you are online, feel free to share your insights.
Yeah, hello and
Hi.
good night. Hi.
Hi. Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. For the next week, I hope we learn more about development with AI using Codex, because my experience is only for native builder. So the Codex is quite new for me, but I'm getting in there. So I hope we'll get more experience with this event lah.
Yeah, definitely. I believe your experience when it comes to the MOH side definitely will benefit our participants on the data usage, especially on consents and also policies wise, so that they are aligned with the Malaysian government in that case. Yeah, so thanks
Okay.
all for all of our participants. Thanks all for all of our mentors to share their insight. And let's go back to our slide. Right. Okay, for a while. Okay. So by the way, all the participants do bear with us. So where the entire screen? Okay. So in case you have any inquiries, all of our mentors already joined the Discord channel, and also they have already indicated their consultation hours. So if you have any questions right now at the Twitch or even at our Discord, feel free to drop down and I will go through all your questions later. Okay. All right. Where are we? Okay, and for our judges, we have Mr. Jari Sujari, who is from the who is from one of the logistics company, and he has Muhammad Suzari Shah, who is the MVP for the Alibaba, and Dr. Chin from judge from Samye University, and as well as right now, which is shows AI representative, also will be our confirmed judges. So start before you feel ready. So after this session, ask your team to verify the team details and join the correct Discord channels, define the problem statement, identify the target user, and prepare their repository and development environment so that you can begin with your first build milestone. So tonight, my suggestion to all of you is to align your team, your problem, and your first milestone, and to build on 12th July, start building, create your first working flow. So our mentors here will be guiding you along the way. And for learning, you have Databricks workshop, and there are more partner workshops that's coming in where we will announce it at codexhackathon.my. And for 18 July, you may actually go into our physical hackathon ready with the final build, the judge for the judging. So that's all for our Let's Build for Malaysia. So tonight is the starting point, but the real build period begins 12 July onwards. So thank you for joining us.